Keeping it fresh at Sound Splash.
Yeah!
Keep it fresh!
Okay, so how you're going to survive a festival is you have got to take these off and put these on.
Gumboots. Keep your feet dry. Yeah.
Don't buy a pop-up tent because it seems like a good idea, but then it just blows away. Yeah. So that was our mistake. Keep it fresh.
Looks like you love seeing someone get. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your pills got me hoping to stay right now. Looking so crazy love. Got me looking so crazy love.
What is the Hipsmatic sound? Well,
it's really hard to describe. It's like
it's a fusion. A fusion of everything, everything that we like. Predominantly, it's Motown, a bit of funk, or quite a bit of funk actually. There's a bit of R&B there because our R&B queen loves her sound.
You gotta have the R&B in there.
Tonight, be a naughty girl. Come along, my girl. You know what means a party tonight. Be a naughty girl. Come along, my girl. The way you look me up and down. You know what means a party.
Love the venue. The venue's really, really cool. All the green and...
Yeah, it's like a naturally built amphitheater, kind of like a summit, but a half summit. You can call it that. I'm not too sure, but it's really wicked, and there's no bad seats here. That's the greatest part about it. Everywhere you go around the amphitheater, it's just a great spot, and it just sounds amazing.
Yeah. Sound Splash today is the rain. That's the freshest thing about Sound Splash.
The freshest thing about Sound Splash is the good music and no shoes.
And you need to smell good, okay?
Keep on with the first don't stop. Don't stop till you get it. Keep on with the first don't stop. Don't stop till you get it. Keep on with the first don't stop. Don't stop till you get it.
You need tonic water, just tonic water.
17:30, I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door.
Hey, it's your boy P Diggs. We're down at Sound Splash. I just got off stage guesting with my dear friend, Mr. Tiki Tan there.
Listen, all those troubles in our day. Tell them how it is, please. Tell them how it is. I got your back indeed, my friend. As I will be your brother right to the very end. Diggy gon' be there on me, you can depend. Me stand strong soldier, here to push the boulder. I'm upon mountain, travel land and sea. Searching for roads and more than just one country. Until we find ourselves here stranded in paradise. Keeping the funnel tight, making the music right. We be the gifted, using our initiative. Breaking down the fences, senses. Balance stimulated by our presence. As we take it back, it's through the barrel essence. Positive lessons.
About to have a feed, relax, go check out the vibes, and just do natural things at a festival, yeah? Stay fresh.